Welcome to Great Garden. The Anthurium plant is not blooming, and you are planning to throw it away. Don't rush to throw it away. Bring it home. I will show you how to make the plant bloom all year round. Using only familiar ingredients available in the kitchen that anyone can easily follow. It will help your Anthurium focus on nurturing buds, promote strong flower stalks, and produce brighter red colors that last longer. If you love Anthurium pots that symbolize luck and prosperity, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss any tips. Let's get started. First, I will remove the leaves that are damaged, yellowing, or showing signs of pests or disease. When doing this, you should use clean scissors and alcohol for disinfection to ensure the safety of the plant. Cut decisively and neatly close to the base of the damaged leaf, avoiding injury to the main stem. This removal helps the plant focus its nutrients on nourishing the healthy parts, while also limiting the spread of fungi or disease to the remaining leaves. Next, I use lemon as a supportive ingredient for plant care. Lemon contains natural citric acid along with a small amount of vitamins and compounds that have mild antibacterial properties. I use a clean knife to peel off the outer zest. This peel is where many beneficial natural essential oils are concentrated. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After obtaining the peel, do not rush to throw away the lemon flesh. We will still use it. Then, I cut the lemon peel into thin slices to increase the contact surface area, helping the essence dissolve more easily into the water in the next processing step. Cutting it into small pieces also makes the extraction process faster and more effective. Next, put all the sliced lemon peel into a clean glass cup. Do you have coffee at home? Coffee contains a natural amount of nitrogen, along with potassium, phosphorus, and some trace minerals essential for plants. I add 1 spoon of coffee together with the prepared lemon peel. Next, add about 500 milliliters of hot water to the mixture so that the essences in the coffee and lemon peel can dissolve and be extracted better. Finally, cover it and steep the solution for 1 hour. The prepared lemon flesh will be used to wipe the leaves of the Anthurium plant. First, cut the lemon in half. Next, prepare a clean glass cup, as shown in the video. Then, squeeze the lemon juice into the cup and remove the seeds so that the solution is clear and easy to use. Add about 300 milliliters of clean water to the cup. Stir gently so that the lemon juice mixes evenly, and now we have a natural solution for wiping the leaves, helping the leaf surface become cleaner and brighter. Next, Use cotton or a soft cloth to absorb the diluted lemon juice solution. Then gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the Anthurium leaves. This method helps remove dust, mineral residue, and long accumulated buildup on the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean and more ventilated, thereby supporting the photosynthesis process to occur more effectively. The diluted lemon solution also has natural cleaning properties, contributing to limiting the growth of bacteria and fungi on the leaf surface, reducing the risk of common leaf spot diseases in Anthurium. When the leaves are clean and healthy, the plant will absorb water and nutrients better, grow steadily, and increase its ability to bloom. You can wipe the leaves about once a month, or whenever you see that they are heavily covered with dust. After about 1 hour, when the coffee and lemon peel mixture has completely cooled, I strain it through a sieve or thin cloth to remove all the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. This liquid is exactly what we need. Finally, add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. That's it. We now have an organic fertilizer ready to use for the plants. Method 1. Put the diluted coffee solution combined with the extract from lemon peel into a spray bottle. Then lightly and evenly mist the entire orchid, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. This combination provides a natural organic source from coffee, along with light essences and essential oils from lemon peel, helping to clean the leaf surface and support the plant in enhancing its vitality. When spraying, cover both sides of the leaves evenly, so the plant receives comprehensive care and develops in a balanced way. It can be applied once a week during the initial stage. When the plant has stabilized, reduce it to about once a month for maintenance. After spraying, place the plant in a well-ventilated area for 10 to 15 minutes so the solution can naturally absorb. After spraying, place the plant in a well-ventilated area for 10 to 15 minutes so the solution can naturally absorb. Method 2. Put the diluted coffee solution combined with lemon peel extract into a clean watering can. Then water slowly and evenly around the base of the Anthurium, so the solution gradually penetrates the growing medium. This watering method helps the roots absorb nutrients more gently and effectively. Coffee provides a natural organic source that supports root activity, while lemon peel water helps balance the growing medium environment when used at the correct concentration. It should be applied once a week during the plant's strong growth stage. When the plant has stabilized, reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month for long-term maintenance and to avoid excess. Result: the root system develops noticeably. New roots grow continuously. The root tips are light-colored, plump, and healthy, firmly attaching to the growing medium. This shows that the plant adapts well and absorbs nutrients effectively, creating a solid foundation for growth. Leaves become greener and thicker. The leaves are deep green with a natural shine. The leaf blades are sturdy and have good elasticity. Older leaves maintain their freshness longer, limiting yellow edges or dry tips. New shoots grow evenly. New buds appear healthy, developing straight and balanced, proving that the plant is in an active growth stage. more stable flowering. New flower stalks emerge sturdy, the flowers bloom fresh and retain their color well, showing that the plant has enough strength to enter a new flowering cycle. How do you feel about these results when using lemon peel in coffee? Please share your opinion. This is a well-deserved result for perseverance and proper care techniques. When nurtured appropriately, orchids will respond with lasting vitality and pure beauty. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.